Welcome back to Women Wise, and we are back with Darshana Shah. Most of you all must have watched our earlier video regarding financial planning and investment. So let's welcome Darshana Shah, who is the financial planner and founder of the company FundSkill. हमने लास्ट टाइम बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट समझे दर्शना शाह से, हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ टू स्टार्ट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, और इस लेवल पर गए थे जहाँ पर वी हैव रिकमेंडेड इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर बाय द किड्स ऑल्सो, और हर किसी को हम लोगों ने इन और कवर किया था. टुडे शी हैज़ कम बैक विथ एन इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक, द रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग. And she is here with lots of ideas, solutions for you all, for us. So let's welcome Darshana Shah.
Hi everyone. And I'm really happy to come back today with Sangeeta here. And मुझे सच में आप सबको थैंक यू कहना है इसके पहले वीडियो के लिए जो आप सब ने हमें प्यार दिया है. We are really grateful for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much from my side as well. So Darshana, I'm going to put the link of the earlier video as well, so that you can watch this video as a second part of the earlier one in our financial planning series. All right. So Darshana, how important is planning for retirement in one's life?
Yes. So retirement planning is very much important क्योंकि एक बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक है कि जितना जल्दी हम हमारा सेविंग स्टार्ट करेंगे उतना हमारा फ्यूचर अच्छा जाएगा. बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज दैट योर हेल्थ, योर बॉडी and obviously the corporate world will always allow you to work or give you a fixed income after your retirement. So ये हम कह सकते हैं कि ये हमारा accumulation stage है.
Correct.
जहाँ पे हम हमारे retirement age तक जितना सेव कर सकते हैं और जितना संभाल के रख सकते हैं हमारे रिटायरमेंट के लिए उतना अच्छा है, और उतनी हमारी लाइफ लग्जूरियस और जैसे अभी जा रही है वैसे जाए.
हाँ, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सडनली इट डजंट कम एज अ शॉक कि सडनली रिटायर हो गए, सो रेगुलर इनकम आनी बंद हो गई, एंड देन यू आर शॉक्ड, अरे क्या होगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
वी हैव सम लाइफस्टाइल, उसको उस पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा. यस, ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट सेविंग अर्लियर इन लाइफ, उतना इजी लाइफ बिकम्स मोर, इट्स लाइक इजी एंड फ्लेक्सिबल.
यहाँ पे मैं एक स्टोरी बताना चाहूँगी व्यूअर्स को कि आपने देखा होगा भालू उसके जब समर्स रहते हैं या जब वो इजीली घूम सकता है तब वो बहुत सारा शहद एक गट्ठा करके रखता है. सो दैट इज बिकॉज उसको पता है कि जब ठंडी आएगी वो नहीं जाने वाला. ही इज वेरी लेजी, ही इज गोइंग टू स्लीप बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी कोल्ड फॉर हिम बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. तो व्हाट इज ही डूइंग? ही इज एक्चुअली प्लानिंग फॉर हिज रिटायरमेंट.
राइट.
तो सिमिलरली हमें भी हमारे रिटायरमेंट के लिए प्लान करना चाहिए.
नाइस एनेक्डोट. So, what portion of one's investment plan should be dedicated to post-retirement planning?
इसके लिए मैं ये कहूँगी कि it depends completely on the individual, how that individual is earning. There is no perfect rule as such कि आप इतना डालो या कितना होना चाहिए. Usually it is said कि आपका at least 20 to 30% of your monthly income should be saved.
Okay.
So out of that, depending upon your previous corpus, depending upon your lifestyle, depending upon which city are you in, we can decide आपको retirement के लिए कितना उसमें से निकालना चाहिए.
Okay.
Because it is very simple. अगर कोई small scale city में या कोई छोटी सिटी में है तो उसके लिए उसकी मंथली इनकम से 30% शायद से बहुत कम हो. He is saving more at the end of the month, so he can invest more.
Correct.
He doesn't need to go by this rule. Similarly, metro cities में expenses ज्यादा होते हैं, लोग रेंट पे रहते हैं, लोगों के अलग खर्चे रहते हैं, restaurants are expensive, everything is different. तो वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली मेरा 30% भी मेरे लिए कम होगा.
ऑफ कोर्स. हाँ, दैट्स व्हाट ना, ये सारी चीजें बहुत मैटर करती है. ऑफ कोर्स योर लोकेलिटी,
सो वी कैन नॉट रियली से कि कितना जाना चाहिए, बट obviously as I mentioned it is on the individual, but you can say that आपने एक portion fix रख देना चाहिए जो आप gradually as years pass you can increase it थोड़ा थोड़ा उसमें
अच्छा,
percentage wise.
all right. So मैंने ये सारे questions actually when we discussed that we are going to shoot on this, we are going to do a session on this. So I had jotted down some questions myself, and these are questions from some of our viewers as well, whom I had asked to send some questions. So that's why I'm referring to the questions now. Some of the viewers have obliged and sent their questions. Thank you so much. So, what point should. Okay. So, when should we ideally start planning for retirement?
As I mentioned कि accumulation stage is the one wherein आप जितना save कर पाओ उतना करना चाहिए. So from the time you start earning, start saving.
Okay.
You should have these goals in your mind. जहाँ पे शायद से आप बोलो कि मुझे एक नियर फ्यूचर के लिए गोल है. I want to save money for my future 2 to 3 years. I want to save money for my one of the travel which I'm interested in, one of the tour which I'm interested in, and I want to save for my retirement also. So जैसे आप earn करना start करते हो, आप वैसे ही investment start कर दो. आप start saving. So there is no age as such. The earlier, the merrier. क्योंकि obviously जितना आप जल्दी start करोगे, you will be able to take that risk, and you will have that cushion your post retirement.
Right, of course, huh?
So, because if you'll see, if there is a person A who starts investing at the age of 25, and there is a person B who starts investing at the age of 30, you won't believe, but 5 साल में आपको 10 से 15 लाख का फर्क दिखेगा.
Oh, अच्छा.
When you will go to your retirement age. So this is the difference. Just by starting 5 years late. The 30 age person B will save less as compared to the person who invested in at the age of 25.
Correct.
Also, उसको 30 में start करने के लिए he will have to put in more money. So if I start at 25, I can start with even 3,000 per month. Just एक मेरे retirement के लिए मैंने 30 साल अगर सिर्फ 3,000 या 4,000 से start किया, तो भी मैं कुछ अच्छा मेरे retirement के लिए corpus create कर सकती हूँ. वही अगर मैं 30 में start कर रही हूँ, तो वो 3,000 मेरे 10,000 बन जाएंगे. So I have to save more as well. I have to take lesser risk because I'm nearing my retirement age. And obviously at the end मेरे पास corpus भी कम होगा.
Yeah, pretty logical, yes.
So जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी you should start investing.
Okay, makes sense. And so there's another question from one of the viewers. What points should an individual consider when deciding to make different investments for post-retirement use?
Okay. So points would be कि कोई ये नहीं सोचता है कि मैं कब तक जीऊंगा. So on an average in India also the life expectancy is till 70-75. So my retirement age is 60. तो मुझे 10 से 15 साल बाद में निकालने हैं. So उस हिसाब से मुझे मेरा कॉर्पस रेडी करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, हाँ.
So whenever I am starting my investment journey, the earlier I start, I have more options to invest.
Of course, yeah.
So in that options, we have bonds, we have debentures, we have equity also. Direct equity is there. We have mutual funds. We have in mutual funds also there are different types of mutual funds. It could be debt mutual funds. It could be balanced mutual funds. It could be equity mutual funds. So ये अलग-अलग mutual funds भी हैं. And this way you can start your retirement planning.
Okay.
Because कभी भी आप जब retirement के लिए plan करते हो, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि आपकी जो अभी expenses है, आपके जो अभी expenses है, वो शायद से कुछ expenses कम हो और कुछ बढ़ेंगे. For example, मैं अभी अगर ऑफिस जा रही हूँ तो माई ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट विल डिक्रीज, राइट, बट एट दैट टाइम माई हेल्थ एक्सपेंसेस विल इंक्रीज,
राइट.
So in that case, I have to plan for my health insurance. I have to plan for my emergency fund as well. पहले emergency fund आएगा, फिर health insurance आएगा. So I need to keep these points also in mind कि जब मैं 60 की रहूँगा या रहूँगी, तब मेरी लाइफ कैसे चलेगी.
हाँ.
अगर I am a person who wants to enjoy my life post retirement, I want to travel the full world क्योंकि मैंने इतना काम किया कि मैं कहीं जा ही नहीं पाई, तो I will उस हिसाब से मैं प्लान करूंगी या उस हिसाब से I will be thinking
जो भी बकेट लिस्ट में है.
Yes, so my goal would be like that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So I have this time जो पूरा यूज करना चाहिए जितना मैं अभी सेव कर पाऊँ for my retirement. As well, एक पॉइंट मैं यहाँ पे देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर इन अ डिलेमा कि यार पूरी जिंदगी अगर हम सेव ही करेंगे और मैं कल ही मर गई तो आई डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग आई एम गोइंग टू बी देयर. सो एट दैट टाइम बजटिंग इज वन पॉइंट which helps you. You should come up with your bucket list and you should come up with a budget in front of that. Prioritize कि आपको इस चीज कितनी चाहिए and accordingly you can look after that also. I am not saying कि आप सिर्फ सेव करो ताकि रिटायरमेंट में यूज हो, बट इफ यू बजट इट, आप उस हिसाब से आपके वो शौक भी पूरे कर पाओगे इन दिस एज एंड इन दिस accumulation stage.
Yeah, priority comes first.
Right.
And of course, your security, your well-being post-retirement also, the age when you really need money plays an important role. So next question is, what all options does FundSkill offer for retirement planning? Explain if you can, each of them.
Okay, sure. So, firstly, FundSkill आपको एक ऐसे सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे we don't charge you, we consult you and according to your consultation, we'll be charging you minimal charges. But otherwise, we don't charge you anything for our services. Secondly, for retirement planning, you can obviously start with your mutual funds. आपके एज और आपके रिस्क एपेटाइट पे हम लोग आपके लिए म्यूचुअल फंड्स सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑब्वियसली कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट एंड वेरी मच टेलर मेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडिविजुअल एंड इंडिविजुअल रिक्वायरमेंट्स. But so mutual funds is one option. Stock market is one option. Equity में long term investments is a very good option till your retirement age.
All right.
Because after that it is risky to protect your this. Then we have one very good option, that is NPS. So NPS is something जो आपका टैक्स भी बचाएगा अभी, as well as it will give you a good retirement post-retirement corpus. So what NPS does is basically it allows you 50,000 extra on your 1.5 lakh का 80C जो है डिडक्शन, उसके ऊपर आपको 50,000 एक्स्ट्रा देता है NPS for tax saving. So if you put 50,000 every year in NPS till the age of your retirement, that is 60, post that you get a corpus of how according to your investment. And this corpus has to be divided in two parts. The 40% of your corpus compulsorily needs to be used for buying your annuity.
Okay.
From companies like ICICI Prudential Life Insurance or Tata Life Insurance or HDFC Ergo Life Insurance. So these all, or LIC for that matter. So these all companies are there who will from whom you can buy the annuity. And the other 60% is completely your money.
Okay.
This 60% you get a lump sum amount and you can use this 60% according to your requirement. फिर आप इसको ही लेके म्यूचुअल फंड के डेप्ट म्यूचुअल फंड में रखो या फिर बैलेंस्ड में रखो, फिर उसमें से आप SWP करो. There are many concepts like this which we can go for post retirement.
Okay.
But this is a very good option because currently you save tax on it, as well it is a good option क्योंकि बाद में वो आपको retirement में help करेगा. Also this NPS is a market linked product only. So it is very much similar to mutual funds and that's why it is a good option to go for.
Great.
So this is also one option. Then there are bonds and debentures, which is a little bit safer investment, and they give you around 8 to 9% of returns on yearly basis as interest.
All right.
So even if you have put say 1 lakh or 2 lakh in it, you get 8 to 9% every year on that according to your tenure. So that's a good thing कि आपने थोड़ा बहुत एक आप FD में रख रहे हो तो you might as well keep in this also, and obviously you should have diversification. So आप थोड़ा FD में रख सकते हो, आप थोड़ा bonds and debentures में रखो उसके हिसाब से. Then there are as I mentioned, there is mutual funds, there is NPS, and there is equity. Also there are fixed income products which you can go for. So we also have this one fixed income product which is a PMS service, and we manage that by ourselves. So we will give you approx up to, I would say, up to 1 to 2% of your invested amount every month.
Oh,
so that's a very good deal. Even if you are not even if you are post retired, even if you are nearing your retirement age, or even if you want to plan for your retirement, you can go for this service also.
that's great. So I think viewers are getting a lot of options, getting to know a lot of options available with FundSkill also, and their services are there, their expertise is available. And FundSkill never told me to do this for them. It is me who invited them and asked them,
Thank you.
for their whatever suggestions and guidance they can offer, because of course we are there to help each other.
Yes.
One viewer wanted to know the major myths or facts or different concepts that people should know about retirement planning.
Yes. So there is this one more thing जो है कि पहले के ज़माने में LIC was the only one and all जो लोगों को ये देता था कि हम आपको आपके रिटायरमेंट में या आपके बच्चे के हर बर्थडे पे एक फिक्स्ड 30,000 मंथ आपको एनुअली आ जाएगा, तो आप इतना इतना इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. बट अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बिकॉज दैट टाइम पीपल डिडंट हैव दीज ऑप्शंस. People didn't know about these options, and that's the reason they invested in that. But now when you know these many options are there, I would say that don't mix up your investment and insurance together.
All right.
Insurance is for your protection, for your life protection, for your medical bills, for your health insurance, that is for your health insurance. But other than that, insurance is not an investment product. Insurance is only for your life, protecting your life and your health.
Yeah.
So other than that, ये सारे options है, तो I would suggest कि please don't go for all these LIC or these all life insurance companies endowment plans or whole life insurance plans. Because if you are investing yearly 1 lakh or 50,000 or 2 lakh, 3 lakh amount in these plans, you are actually losing your opportunity to earn, I would say, 25 to 30 lakhs down the line.
Okay, that's
a very big amount. Because आप खुद सोचिए, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैं आपके पास से 7 साल के लिए 1-1 लाख लूंगी और आपके 11वें साल से आगे 40 साल तक मैं आपको 50,000 या 30,000 साल का दूंगी. I mean, how? Even if that fixed income is going to come, it's not going to fight my inflation.
of course.
And that's why it is tax free. क्योंकि उनको भी पता है कि अगर वो टैक्स काटेंगे तो आपके हाथ में तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. So please educate yourself on this. If you want to have some protection या कुछ एक income चाहिए आपको fixed income और इसलिए आप चाहते हो, तो don't go for any premium which is above 20,000. And again, this amount depends on your income, on your annual income. So आप जितना, क्योंकि आपके पास बहुत टाइम है रिस्क लेने के लिए, whether you're at the age of 25, still आपके पास बहुत टाइम है till the age of 60. Exactly. If you are at 30, still you have 30 years. Even if you are at 40, you have 20 years, which is a good amount to take risk according, because आपके लिए जैसे मैंने बोला, आपके risk appetite के हिसाब से we have products, we will plan for you. but don't go for these gimmicks, please.
I think you should, watch this video again and again to understand each and everything. There's such important things she has mentioned. Yeah. So then the next question was, okay. One viewer has asked how much of tax benefit or relief do these options give? I think you mostly covered in NPS
Yes.
also, so
Yes.
we can whatever you have to say.
Yeah, so for this, आप सीनियर सिटीजन हो या आप नॉर्मल सिटीजन हो हु इज बिलो लाइक हु इज नॉट सीनियर, आपके लिए टैक्स सेम ही है. तो देर इज नो रियली अ बिग डिफरेंस इन टैक्स सेविंग ऑप्शंस एज सच. इसलिए इफ आई वुड सजेस्ट कि एनपीएस इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन जो आपका टैक्स अभी सेव करेगा और वो आपको एक रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस भी देगा. सो दैट इज अ गुड ऑप्शन अदरवाइज. And otherwise all other investment channels are there. They have a minimal tax of long term gain, that is 10%. And if it is say for mutual funds, if it is a debt fund or anything like this, then there is 3 years ke upar there is a 20% indexation benefit.
Okay.
So if you redeem after 3 years, there is a 20% indexation benefit के हिसाब से आपको टैक्स लगता है. और उसके पहले किया आपने तो आपको 15% टैक्स लगता है.
All right.
So other than that, there is nothing much. And I would suggest कि आप एक ये सिंपल बात याद रखो कि अगर मैं कमा रही हूँ तो मुझे थोड़ा % टैक्स देना पड़े तो इट्स ओके. बट वो टैक्स सेविंग के लिए आप कोई गलत इंस्ट्रूमेंट में डालो तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रियली गेट दोज रिटर्न्स व्हाट यू आर एक्चुअली जिसके लिए आप टैक्स चुरा रहे हो. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट डोंट गो फॉर दैट.
Is it easy to get the money on monthly basis on the accumulated corpus post retirement? So, and do the plans offer guarantee or safe monthly income?
Yes. So again ये जो क्वेश्चन है इस पे यही जवाब रहेगा कि आप कितना सेव करते हो उस पे ये डिपेंडेंट है.
अच्छा.
So if your corpus, for example, a corpus having 40 lakh, a person A has 40 lakhs as his retirement corpus. A person B having a corpus of 1 CR as his retirement, post-retirement corpus, and C having 2.5 CR. तो हर एक का फिक्स्ड इनकम के लिए या फिर उसका ये जो कॉर्पस है उसको हम कैसे डिवाइड करें इन अ डाइवर्सिफाइड इन्वेस्टमेंट चैनल्स completely depends on that.
अच्छा.
तो संगीता आई वुड सजेस्ट कि हम एक पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट पे भी एक वीडियो हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए ला सकते हैं.
गुड आइडिया.
एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि ये जो हमने अभी जो वीडियो किया है दैट इज बेसिकली फॉर पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम द एज बिटवीन 20 to 50-55 और हु आर नियरिंग योर रिटायरमेंट. बट post retirement के लिए there are obviously many other things which we can discuss on, and
Definitely we'll do one video on that also.
Yes.
That will be
And
very
you
good.
can surely write down your comments for that also, what you are looking for, what doubts you have. We'll surely try our best to cover it in the next video.
Okay, so either you mention it in the comment section or we'll put both our email IDs because
Yes.
most of the people, they send personal messages also and emails. So,
Sure.
anyways, whatever questions do come to us, we'll have it in the next section, which she has just come up with a new with an idea that we can have it for the post-retirement age also.
Yes.
That's great. So we'll do it very soon now. Okay, so actually I'm getting educated a lot in most of the things, and really they're very good questions. Okay, this we have covered. Now next question was, if in case a person has not started investing for retirement and decides to go ahead with investing, what would your advice be and how would you go about it? I think that will be covered in the next section, right? Or
Yes.
whatever you want to mention.
Yeah, so for this it would be again it boils down to only one sentence that start investing the early the better. But agar it's fine if you haven't still started and if you're nearing your retirement age, we can always work out with you for this. And I guess I would like to give back to the viewers of Women Wise that आप एक फ्रेंडस्किल के साथ एक स्पेशल सेशन कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट वुड बी अ फ्री कंसल्टेशन फ्रॉम माय साइड. So we will be mentioning my call link. I'll share it to you, and we will put it in the comments also. आप उस लिंक पे जाके फंस्किल के साथ एक कॉल सेशन बुक कीजिए, and we will surely try to help you with your retirement planning or your financial planning.
Great, excellent. I'm so excited. Viewers, you're getting an opportunity. Nothing better than, enhancing your skills and, of course, your scope of investment and getting good money back with experts in the field. Now, I think we have covered almost all the questions, most of the questions, and the other questions that I see can be covered in the post-retirement section that we are going to do. You have already covered about the charges you do
yes.
in your
So,
previous questions.
Yes. Again, I would like to mention, if you we have a very minimal charge of consultation, that is only 250 rupees for consultation. Otherwise, if post consultation you are investing with us, we'll be giving you a free of charge service. And especially for our women wise viewers, as I mentioned before, we are mentioning the link in the comment. Please book your session with FunSkill. This is a very, very, very good opportunity for you to start investing and clear your doubts.
Great. So I hope we have lots of viewers benefiting from you, and I think we have covered most of the questions for the section of the viewers that she mentioned. What do you want to say when you want to sum up this conversation, and then we can look forward for the next video?
Sure. So for this, it would be retirement planning. We really don't think about it because everyone feel that अभी तो मेरे कमाने की उम्र है, अभी मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, फिर तो अभी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग के लिए टाइम है. बट you never know what situation is going to come into your life and how you're going to react to it or how you will be able to do it. So जैसे मैंने बोला था कि I got lot of questions and inquiries for savings and investments when COVID was there.
Okay.
Because when COVID hit, people really realized the need for saving and the need for investment.
Taking action in that.
Yes. तो अब तक हम सारी चीजें ग्रांटेड लेते थे कि नहीं हो जाएगा, ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे हो जाएगा. But it is not like that. Financial planning is very much important in every person's life, and you should think about it. You should definitely think about it. Start saving. कभी ये मत सोचो अब देर हो गई है तो अब मैं कितना सेव कर पाऊंगी या कैसे करूंगी. Take little steps and I'm sure you will reach your goals soon.
Exactly.
When you come into that habit of saving, automatically आपको जब वो पैसा दिखता है आना, तब automatically पैसा वहाँ पे जाता है हमसे.
Of course.
So, and I have a very simple, I really believe in this a lot, कि जब मैं सो रही हूँ तब मेरा पैसा भी कमाना चाहिए. So I should start earning so much that even when I'm sleeping, whether I'm doing, I should have that freedom. मुझे जो जब करना है तब मैं कर सकती हूँ.
And that is पैसा आ रहा है.
And that is only because मेरा पैसा मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है. I am making my money work for me. So when you take this commitment seriously, trust me, you won't have any financial problems and you will be a completely financially free person.
Great. Thank you so much, Darshana, for coming, and it was such an enlightening, an experience to understand so many things which we normally in life take for granted. Saving at right time, right amount, understanding. It's very important to get to know from the people. Experts are available. People are there who want to share their knowledge and make us understand what is important for us. So it's time for us all as well to open our eyes and ears, listen to them, respect the knowledge that is there with them, and then take the step forward, take action, take the step forward, and then make our life easier for future. I think that's So all I can say, because she has spoken about this thing, everything has been covered, and there's not much left for me to say. We all are, blessed, and we are happy that we have somebody who's, giving time to us to talk about it, help us understand, and ready to answer the queries as well. I hope the viewers will call up and get the questions or queries resolved or sorted from her. And thank you so much for your time and appreciation. Hope you like the video. If you do like the video and you think we deserve your appreciation and support, do like, share and subscribe to your very own channel, Women Wise, and keep in touch and keep yourself tuned for the next video by Darshana Shah. Bye bye.